You screw up your face to my brother like you don't know some my brother. Bad boy. As little as in the way, lick in your face. Aye. The big man say you're a bad boy. Me a yard, Marvin. This man, I tell you, say, sell the bird, them, the bird fight. Your blessings, man. Remember, say, bird. Yeah? No, take time to bro. Stop, bro. I want to care, brother.
Fix up the argument.
Fix up the argument. The bird fight. Take time to talk to, because remember, say, them think that illegal. Alright, yes.
See, remember I two big cat, I tell you about.
Stop.
You remember
the bird, yeah, remember a bird.
See big cat, them, they looking there. They saw them big.
Them a hide, man.
Them a matter of fact, them a hide. But come on, move, man. Yeah, man, them a big cock, you dog, them bad. Bad.
No, man.
And them a cock, you bite up, you first. You see cock. Look here. I saw those, them a cock, them a cock, them. No, sawdust.
Sawdust?
Yeah, man, look there. See, she shop there. Oh, this one get the sawdust them from. Them a cock, you bad, youth.
Oh, yeah.
No, I say, them a cock, you. I might cock them in, but they're not tough.
Cause so much bird have, man.
Yeah, man, I be a cock, I be a man, I link me for cock, him and ball.
Yeah, brother.
Do, man.
Brother, hold on.
No, man.
Them a link up for fighting bird.
Bird.
Yes.
Yeah, man. You see bird them already done the song, bird fight.
Yeah.
I feel me cock them there. I be a man, link me for cock, I make give them be a cock, I go
no,
them fight.
Bro.
We're not gonna buy no bird if I'll keep on top of that.
Yeah.
I be a cock, me send down at that.
Oh, yeah, man.
Me fool them up a cock and send them.
Yeah, alright, little more. Little more. Me did God though. Me did want the bird, you know. We did want the bird.
Fooling up a cock too.
Do?
Jesus Christ. What are you gonna do now?
My good Christian house.
Okay, man, put my favorite choker in them in your back.
Mommy, this serious, you know?
Now go look for your birth certificate, them, and your passport. Bring them 3 figure reader. We need the figure reader.
Mama, we cannot bring everything. Please just get a light bag and make go to the shelter.
Okay, man, make sure you take out the settee.
Mommy, them just have to pack a light bag, 1 bag, and then go to the shelter.
Wait. Why so much plate in I sink? No. Okay, man, go wash your plate them.
Mommy, one meteorite boat for it earth. We not gonna have no house. And if we not hurry up, we not gonna have no life, mommy.
Okay, man, I tell you something, I like no dirty plate in the house, and you know wash your plate them. Go wash it.
Jesus.
Daddy. Me can't put the TV on cartoon. No, leave it. Me watch the TV. Daddy, but you asleep. Leave it alone. Do not change it for we pop your neck. I better say me bust your face. No, change it if you're bad, no. But you lock I can see it. But you feel watching with your eye lock. So what if me eye lock? I can see it. I see the light. Jesus make me can see the light. Come out here before me bust your face. Put on the remote. I am watching the TV. Not because me eye lock. No, stick to me. I for TV. I who buy the TV. Come out here, man. I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna go. Me watch the TV. Yeah, perp.
Pinking of 1 man, pinking of 2 man, pinking of 3 man, pinking of 4, pinking of 5 man, pinking of 6 man, pinking.
You look over there, what one?
I'm there.
Yeah. Oh, but you know, see the fish there? One fish there over there, so.
I know Batman that.
What do you mean by it?
Yeah, I say see fish. Yeah, I don't see no Batman over there.
But I don't see it in the water, I don't see no Batman in the water. I see one fish pass it.
Yep. You mean water animal?
Yeah.
Yeah, then water no.
Yeah, it just pass. But I can't swim. I can't swim, I can't float.
They have to give me bulletproof vest.
We are going to do with bulletproof vest if it's not shot up.
You don't know it's bulletproof vest so them put on for float when they want to talk.
You don't?
I'm not bulletproof vest.
Then now what?
Vest.
Yeah, you know no sense.
Wait.
Vest are something where police and soldiers use. This is bulletproof vest. Watch out one more by there.
I'm ready.
You see that skate?
He gone.
You see it though?
Yeah.
What you have? You have money?
You don't come.
You have money?
No.
Move fire. What you pass back here? You see it?
Yeah.
You see it?
Me see it.
Sit there.
Oh, man.
You know, come off.
No. The man come out, me have to go swim.
Yeah, go on there, yeah, then on the money.
Come here, yes. Come here, go.
No, they come for me, man, you cheer me short.
Lipton? Lippy? Hey, me nephew? Me sweet, oh, in there. Me sweet boy? Lip. Yeah, enjoy yourself.
Yeah?
Yes. Spend the last day with me good because you know tomorrow you go home.
Tomorrow me I go home?
Yes, man, come when my school start next week. I have to buy your shoes. Now send those shoes and something with you.
Me no want to go home.
No, no, man, you have to go home, man.
Me
Next
no want to go home. Me no bother go home. Me no want to go home.
No, man, you have to go home. I mean, I keep on having one year, you know.
Me no want to go home. Me no want to go home.
No, man, don't worry about it, man. See, I get fat. Next year, you see auntie. Yes. Press up yourself.
Me no go home.
No, man, lift and come, man.
Me not going home.
Pack your bags, me put your breadfruit and something.
Me not go home tomorrow.
No, you have to go home tomorrow.
No.
Yes.
No. Me not go back to country. Me love up here.
No, man, me put in your school shoes and new bags.
Me not go home. Me not go home.
So as me I say now, nephew, this a way kind of broaden your horizon.
Yeah, make you see far and I feel.
Yeah, make the eye kind of elevate pan a different type of perspective.
Oh.
You know see, this make you see Babylon from afar.
Yeah, man, you open up your third eye.
Your third eye, you ever hear about the third eye? And this make the eye can really sense certain feeling and certain energy before the energy reach you.
Yes, and it's shielded from the Babylon system.
Yeah, because when you burn them thing, nephew, police can't see you.
You can't see you, none at all.
None at all you go. All them are going to see you instant.
Can't see you.
Just no make no man to bill your spliff like that. Nephew. You know, see it, car. If a man bill your spliff, you know, a man can have certain powers over you for kind of mad you in a sense. You know, see. You don't want to offer it, because this shield you from all type of curse and horror. Take that to type.
Yeah. Let me tell you this spliff. Javed! What done? You only supposed to set the example.
Let me now set the example for him, Aya.
Javed, come in our blasted yard. Later, uncle.
Go on to your father.
Winston, I hope that I am very much disappointed.
Me I make him know something hide from Babylon system so they don't catch him in the earth.
I don't want that type of example. Shit house.
You want me chant up here? Chant. King Selassie. How you do? Aya? You idiot, Aya, you can't shut up.
Me find one pen. It alright. Me find one sweetie. Yeah, me find one sweetie. Put it right back. Look here, so they never tell us they don't go in a big people job and search up. Put it right back. Boy, you find sweetie. I know that. I pull you should have pull it. And you see what happened to you. Oh. The one of your canine them done. Oh. Boy, you find sweetie. That look like sweetie to you, boy. What you find, you see? As something you can't save your life. But I'm not time to talk about that. So you just put it right back. Boy, you find sweetie. Put it right back.
Pinky have man over there, man over here, man in the air and man in the atmosphere. Fair.
Hey boy, you know you miss a four.
Now take Pinky say you short off for me.
No, you can't tell him. I buy your soda. You can't.
Oh yeah.
Hold on now, who this man? I mean, come to you, but you know
You know him, my friend.
No.
Come and grab me.
I boss your shot.
In my baby.
Yeah, mine a bossy man.
Him brain never done download yet. He still stuck a baby stage.
You don't look so. So you might get on the offer.
Pinky actor? Yeah. Oh. Pinky up a yard. Yeah. Pick up a yard.
Oh, so Pinky come too. Oh, remember say maybe buy you bigger. Where you go?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Come we got a shop here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna find back with her. Then they mix up your alphabet when you're the little.
Yo, come here, man. Go on, no.
Me I say you just follow back with her.
Tap follow back.
You can't even chat.
Guava, yo, Rasta run this a choke Bishop dog.
You're nasty.
Yeah, go look no man. He man run there a choke off Bishop.
I turn up and watch him a choke Bishop.
No, brother.
You're nasty, man.
Go look no brother. Come
No,
on,
nasty,
man.
man.
Up in eyes, brother.
No, nasty, man.
See man, nobody start choke Bishop, brother.
But see ya.
Come on, choke Bishop. You think you choke me?
What you choking Bishop for, brother?
What me want me to choke him for? Yo, last week you see, me give $5,000, you know? I'm supposed to get like $4,000 change. Him say after the sermon, we're supposed to get me carry you back. Now you come talk about it. God, I go give me back. Oh, God, you give me back.
It go to better in fools.
In fools.
Fools.
Me go fool you up.
Foolishness, Bishop are gone. Gay man back here, man, Bishop.
Me have me $4,000 change.
Let me help him. Jesus, we help him. We help him, man. For Bishop, all right, brother.
Give me $4,000 change,